birthday. That's your happy birthday.
You want to open it?
Oh.
Yeah, Grandpa help. Grandpa help. Grandpa help.
You're gonna need help.
There
we go. Yeah, grab it. You can tear it.
You want to open it?
Oh, you can open it. Oh, what have we got here? A box.
A box!
Sandy sent you a box.
Oh, she likes boxes. Look, oh.
Look at that big box. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Give me a knife. Got the scissor? Okay.
Yeah, Grandpa can help with the scissors. What did you get for your birthday?
It looks like a box within a box.
It's a box in a box!
There's another box.
And inside that box, I think there's more boxes. It's like those Russian stacking dolls.
Turn over there. Okay, let's see what we got here. There we go.
It's a pretty box!
Oh, and let's see what's in here.
Look at that. Oh, you're gonna like that. Oh, makes music. This is gonna be good. Oh, you like music. Oh, I think you're gonna like this one. And you get 2 boxes to play with, Olive. Look, oh. Olive. Oh, that's pretty. Spin that. There's a washboard on this side. Yeah, and you could probably eat that too. Olive, that's so great. There's so much to do. You gonna play this side? Actually, you have to do that. You can play this.
That's good,
I think
yes.
there's one more on. Look, oh. Look. Yeah, good
Very
job.
good, yes. Yes.
Oh, there's so much you could do. Yay. Including getting Mama. Oh, that's really nice. You like that? Oh.
And you
You
can
got
eat
fun?
and you can eat the stick.
And you can eat the stick.